There are mainly two types of regularization techniques, which are 1. Ridge regression. 2. Lasso regression. Ridge regression is one of the types of linear regression in which a small amount of bias is introduced so that we can get better long-term predictions. Ridge regression is a regularization technique, which is used to reduce the complexity of the model. It is also called as L2 regularization. In this technique, the cost function is altered by adding the penalty term to it. The amount of bias added to the model is called ridge regression penalty. We can calculate it by multiplying with the lambda to the squared weight of each individual feature. Lasso regression is another regularization technique to reduce the complexity of the model. It stands for least absolute and selection operator. It is similar to the ridge regression except that the penalty term contains only the absolute weights instead of a square of weights. Since it takes absolute values, hence, it can shrink the slope to zero, whereas ridge regression can only shrink it near to zero. It is also called as L1 regularization. Key difference is, ridge regression is mostly used to reduce the overfitting in the model, and it includes all the features present in the model. It reduces the complexity of the model by shrinking the coefficients. Lasso regression helps to reduce the overfitting in the model as well as feature selection.